Hey foodies! Today we embark on a global adventure, exploring the myriad varieties of chicken spaghetti. Get ready for a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds. Our first stop, Italy. Picture yourself savoring the rich, authentic flavors of classic Italian chicken spaghetti, each bite a symphony of pasta perfection. Now, let's journey to Asia. Experience the fusion of diverse spices and unique twists, transforming the classic chicken spaghetti into an aromatic masterpiece. You all, welcome to a Tex-Mex fiesta. Here, chicken spaghetti sizzles with bold flavors and festive vibes. It's a flavor explosion in every mouthful. Next, we set sail to the Mediterranean where the sun meets the sea. Delight in Mediterranean-inspired chicken spaghetti, kissed by fresh herbs and olives. Spice alert! Our journey takes us to India, where chicken spaghetti dances with the bold flavors of curry, cumin, and an array of spices. Brace yourselves for a spicy delight. Get ready to sizzle in South America. Experience the lively fusion of Latin American spices, transforming chicken spaghetti into a carnival of flavors that dance on your plate. Embark on a journey to the Far East, where umami takes center stage. Delight in the richness of miso, soy, seaweed-infused chicken spaghetti, a true taste sensation. Let's feel the rhythm of the Caribbean. Indulge in the tropical vibes of chicken spaghetti, where exotic fruits and bold spices come together for a taste that's as vibrant as the islands themselves. What a ride! From Italy to Asia, the heart of Texas, the Mediterranean, and the spice of India, chicken spaghetti has truly taken us on a worldwide adventure. Thanks for joining, and remember, there's a world of flavors out there waiting for you.